We're here at the Grand Hotel.
Wow, look at it. It's huge.
Yeah.
Where are we going today? We just flew from LA to Chicago, and now we're going to get into a car with my parents and drive 5 hours north to Traverse City, and then we will go further north in Mackinac Island, Michigan, in a very packed episode of Travel Review.
Mackinac Island.
A little more excitement.
Mackinac Island.
Welcome,
Where are we going?
Mackinac Island. Quit bothering Jordan.
Stop.
We've made it to Traverse City now. Who are you? Introduce yourself.
Well, I'm Karen. It was a long ride.
Karen.
Go. I'm looking at this.
Okay. Here's the room at the Grand Traverse Hotel. Very exciting activity going on here.
I am Mike.
Okay.
Who are you? $60. You know what it does?
What?
It stops your hair from falling out. And look what's happening on the back of my head. Stop the camera.
This, I guess, is the asylum. Looks pretty nice, so we're gonna go check it out.
Everyone's tired because we basically spent the entire night not in a bed. No one saw a bed. So we interrupt this travel review very early for, excuse me, I'm talking, asylum hour.
We are at the Grand Traverse Commons. It used to be the Traverse City State Hospital. They've converted it into shops and restaurants. So we're gonna go do the historical tour now.
The Kirkbride Tour.
I love the Kirkbride Asylums because they were based off a certain architectural plan, which is what Traverse City State Hospital was based off of. It was very special to get to go and see it.
We will not stop until we have seen every asylum in America.
We are now at Turtle Creek Casino.
I don't like casinos. I don't like this one because you can smoke in there.
I came out even.
Oh, there he is right there, Greg. Look, he's on the street. I've never seen black squirrels before.
Now we're heading to Mackinac Island.
The next stop is?
Why do you have to put the camera 2 inches from my face? Mackinac Island.
We are here at the ferry dock, getting ready to get to the island. They'll be over there. Are you getting swamped with flies?
Yeah, they're like red.
There are no cars on this island, only horses.
We are walking to the Grand Hotel, and the homes here are very beautiful. They're all old Victorian homes. We're here at the Grand Hotel.
Wow, look at it. It's huge.
Yeah.
Very old. Are there any rocking chairs for her?
I don't think so.
Is this what you want to do all day? This hotel was built in 1887, so it's a lot like the Queen Mary because they both give you feelings of going back in time.
We're gonna go see the room.
All right, here we go.
Do you have a key?
You have a key.
It's in my backpack.
Oh. Wow, hold on, I gotta adjust the cord here.
Oh my,
Wow.
so cute.
Why do we have 2 beds?
Because you get one and I get one.
Look at the flowers.
It's so cute.
You're supposed to have a king bed.
Uh-oh.
Is it okay like this?
I am fine with it.
Okay. You could sleep in one and then sleep in the other one the next day.
Oh, that's so cute.
You gotta come see ours.
We are going in their room, the Victorian suite. Jordan, go ahead.
Good.
Let's see what we got here. Oh. Turn on the light. Holy moly. Look at this. Oh man. The lights go on in the house.
Look here.
Wow.
So cute.
This is a nice home.
Do you want to switch with them?
It has nice stained glass.
Having a good time.
There's ghosts in here.
There's ghosts in here? Wow.
Did you guys want a box fan?
This is great.
Very low chair. No, I'll never get up.
Pants out of there.
What, is Greg in there?
Karen, were you scared?
No, not at all.
Are you not gonna come downtown with us? And get some fudge?
I need a rest.
We are heading downtown, and Mackinac Island is known for their fudge. There's tons of fudge shops. If you ever get a pack of cookies and there's fudge in it, look at the back. It'll say Mackinac Island fudge. This is what Mackinac Island is known for, one of the things. So we're gonna go get Jordan some fudge.
Can we get a little piece? Sure.
You can get half of the.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice and gooey. Tastes like peanut butter.
It's good, right? The downtown's very cute and quaint, and there's just little shops everywhere. I love tulips.
One time we came out.
Oh yeah, that was gonna be helpful.
I guess they got a new thing here, appetizers and drinks.
I'd say it more excited.
No, I just woke up. Okay, out of the way. Let's go.
Cheese.
Okay, that's disgusting.
Solid crystal.
The Grand Hotel requires all guests to dress up after 6:30, which is why I look so incredible.
Look at this handsome young man. Grab onto him very tightly. Don't let any other woman. And Jordan, you look very nice too.
Oh, thank you.
A lovely,
Not as good as me though.
lovely.
We're going into the dining room for our first dinner. Take a look. We have 3 forks, 2 knives, and 2 spoons. We are well prepared for dinner.
Wow.
What'd you get?
Thank you. It's a hazelnut cake.
Filming me in my pajamas. So, good night, everyone. We're tired.
Boy, they sure eat a lot for breakfast. Where's Jordan?
Morning. Don't you want to go lay on the hammock in the sun?
Are you having a good time at this hotel? You like it here?
Don't bother me.
Do you like it here?
I'm looking for something.
Take me home, Karen. My owners abandoned me. Can you adopt me?
I wish you would stop. I am laying by the pool. It's nice and warm.
You gonna go in the water?
No. Where's the end? Goes all over there?
We are playing a nice game of croquet. Oh, not enough.
Oh, he
Stop shooting cannons!
missed it.
Oh! How do you feel after that? Tragic.
I'm fine. He missed the stick.
We played to a tie. Isn't that exciting? There she is. We found her in the forest.
We'll try it again later.
My favorite part of the Grand Hotel are the rocking chairs outside and just sitting and having a nice drink.
I'm going to be giving a tour of the island while driving a horse. Are you excited to have me drive the horse?
No.
Are you excited about this?
No.
Why don't you want to do this?
I'm mad at you. I don't trust you.
This is our horse, Babe.
She can't even wait to get in there and get on the road. Smooth ride by an expert rider.
Look where you're going. You're a driver.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, they all got flags by their gravestones.
Get out, take some pictures.
Greg, get this poor horsey moving.
All right, come on, babe. Come on. Over there is Fort Mackinac. Come on. Come on, babe. Come on.
Babe, let's go.
Have a good night, Trev.
He's crazy. This is so crazy.
Babe's tired of your nonsense.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Look at the size of this corn, Karen. Look at it.
What is this?
We're finally going to the orchestra. Please dance with me.
Once the sun sets, it's kind of hard to see out there.
Are you sad this is ending, Karen?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the loudest truck I've ever heard. Get out of here. Okay, we are back on the island, or off the island, and we're gonna let our guests give their review, and then we will give our review.
We're going home now from our trip to the Grand Hotel. I'd say I'd give it a B+.
Ooh, wow, why?
I've been there many, many times, and I think they cut back on some stuff. And I didn't get to ride the bikes around the island, which was my favorite thing to do.
After vacationing with Greg and Jordan, just being with them, I give them a D-. With regards to the Grand Hotel, I'm gonna give it a C.
Wow.
After being here numerous times, it seems as though it's gotten cheap.
Okay, and now for Greg and Jordan's review. Oh, thank you, Turtle.
I give Mackinac Island a B-. It's really cumbersome to get to. I liked the porch and the rocking chairs.
I am giving it an A-.
Wow.
I think that it is...
Oh, the horses are good too. I like the horses.
It's my turn. I think that it's an incredibly unique location, only spot in the world just like this. And we'll see you later, guys!